In the vast panorama of human archetypes, the visionary, idealist, and innocent emerge as the custodians of hope. Their eyes set on horizons that shimmer with the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Driven by an insatiable desire to flourish, they are the seekers of idealism, envisioning a world not as it is, but as it could be. In the realm of profession, visionaries stand at the vanguard of innovation. Their minds are fertile ground for ideas that leap forward. Chefs, with their culinary wizardry, transform simple ingredients into a feast for the senses. Urban planners sketch the blueprints of tomorrow's cities, where harmony between humanity and nature flourishes. Politicians, with rhetoric steeped in optimism, strive to turn the tides of governance towards brighter shores. Within the social weave, idealists light the way, career advisors not just charting paths but igniting passions. Motivators, with words laced with encouragement and optimism, elevate the collective spirit, transforming doubt into determination, fear into fortitude. In the spiritual domain, the innocent, through their art, invite us to glimpse the world anew. Photographers freeze time. Their images are testament to the enduring beauty that surrounds us. Musicians, with each note, bridge the gap between the mundane and the divine. Graphic designers in their digital ateliers craft visuals that resonate with the core of our being. Yet, the path of hope is strewn with challenges. The under-evolved may find themselves ensnared in a web of what-ifs, their vision clouded by the imperfections of the present, unable to anchor their idealism in the soil of reality. They envision possibilities, yet their focus often dwells on flaws rather than potential. Without a holistic view of hope, they may change course at every challenge. They struggle to recognize the realism within idealism, ultimately abandoning their efforts to transform the ideal into reality. When over-utilized, their dreams may soar too high, untethered from the grounding truths of existence, leaving their aspirations adrift in the realm of delusion. They paint flowery landscapes of people's challenges in a way that frustrates them and diminishes the genuine strain of their experience and challenge. In their thriving state, the visionary, idealist, and innocent transcend mere dreamers to become beacons of hope, their every endeavor infused with the power to inspire. They remind us that the future is not a distant mirage but a canvas awaiting our collective brushstrokes. Their impact is profound, shaping societies, cultures, and hearts with the indomitable spirit of optimism. In their hands, idealism is not just a trait but a transformative force, one that molds the present in the image of a hopeful, more vibrant tomorrow. In the grand narrative of humanity, the visionary, idealist, and innocent stand as heralds of hope, their lives a testament to the enduring power of an optimistic spirit. They challenge us to look beyond the horizon, to dream, to aspire, and most importantly, to believe in the dawn of a brighter day.